Hi guys, welcome to WebSense Pro. Welcome to another tutorial video, and in this video I'll show you guys how you can create images which will look professional like a model photo shoot. So if you're an e-commerce store and you do not have a hefty budget to hire a model and do a photography with your product, I am going to share a free AI tool with you guys through which you can generate a high quality professional looking model photo shoot for your product images. So these are the images. So that's the first image which I gave as an input to my AI tool, and the result which I got is, so that's the first result, and that's the second result. So you can see I just gave the plain red t-shirt to my AI tool and it gave me a professional looking model wearing my t-shirt picture. And let me show you another result which is more stunning. So this is a female dress, right? I'm going to close this one. Okay, so this is a female dress and I gave this as an input to my AI tool, and the result which I got are, so that's the first result and that's the second result. So you can see it looks completely natural and it looks like a professional model photo shoot which I have done with my images, which is actually an AI result. So if you want this type of result, make sure to watch the complete video where you will learn how you can do this completely free. You don't have to pay for any AI tool. It's completely free. Just watch the complete video and do not forget to subscribe the channel, which will help us motivate, create more valuable content for you guys. And also we're just getting the results of 7% of viewership who really subscribe to our channel. And if you can help us increasing it a little bit more to 20%, it will be really helpful for us to create more valuable content. Okay, now let's jump into the tutorial. So I'm going to close these images, and what we first need to do is open a Google Collaboratory, and I'm going to share this link on the YouTube video description. You will get a screen like this, and you have to first log into your Google account. And once you do that, all you have to do is just click on play sign here and then click on run anyway. And it's going to take few minutes to run. Once it's completed, you're going to get a link through which you will upload your AI images. And before this completely execute the code, let me show you one more thing. So if you are a Shopify store owner and you want to increase sales of your store, we have created this app which you can see. The name is Big Bulk Discount, and what it basically does, it basically creates the tired selling discount strategy. So what you can do is you can create additional discount for your customers. So for example, if they add 2 products to the cart, you're gonna give 5%, and once they add another item to the cart, like 3 items, you're gonna give another 5%. This will basically motivate your customer to add more to the cart. We have been getting a lot of good results from our customers. A few of our customers tried this app and they got 25% increase in average order value. So make sure to try this app. I'll put the link in the description so you can try that out. Okay, let's go back to our collaboratory, and okay, our link is ready. So that's the link which you will be getting once the code is completely executed, which will say gradio.live at the end. All you have to do is just click on that link and it will look like this. Now, once you open that, click on input image, scroll down, click on image prompt, and then here upload the image which you want to convert as a professional model wearing your product, right? So I'm going to upload my image. So that's the female clothes which we tried before. I'm going to try that again. Let's open that image here, and once it's uploaded, scroll down and then click on advanced, and here the stop ad and weight value needs to be changed, and I'm going to change it to 0.85 and 0.98. So these are the values which you need to change to the exact which I have added here to get the best possible results. Okay, once you do that, scroll up and then click on advanced. Perfect. Now here I'm going to select the quality for performance. So if you click on speed or extreme speed or lightning, what it's going to do, it's basically generate the results faster, but it's going to reduce the quality which you will be getting as a result. So better, if you want to get the best possible quality, then select this quality here. And the aspect ratio you can select as per your image. I'm going to select here 960 by 1088. Okay, and then scroll up, and from styles, I am going to add some additional styles, which is focus photograph and focus cinematic. So these are the options which you need to select to get the best possible results. Okay, now the next part is the prompt. So I'm going to add the prompt here. So I have already generated the prompt. So guys, the next part is to add the prompt, and I have already generated the prompt. You can see I have already added the prompt. I'm going to add this prompt as an example in the YouTube video description so you guys can have a basic understanding of how it's work. It's basically explaining the type of model which we need. So here you can see a full length shot of a female model standing in upright pose against a light gray background. So that's here we are defining the shot which we need, and here we need to define our clothing. So this line you will have to change if you are changing the clothes, and how you can generate the text prompt for your image is basically you can go to any chat GPT or Google Gemini or any of the AI chat tool and upload your image and tell it to describe the image. Whatever the description they gave you in text format, you will just have to change this to the place where I have showing you guys as my selection to change the prompt. And that's all you have to do. I've already defined this for my product. Now all I have to do is just click on generate to generate the results. Now to generate multiple results, we have this option here. I'm going to generate 4 results here and choose whichever looks best to me, right? You can generate 8, basically any number of results you need to generate here. Okay, now let's click on generate. And it's basically going to take few minutes to generate pictures. Okay guys, our AI generated images are ready to be seen. So here are the 4 results which we got. And you can simply open them in a new image in a new tab and download them as well by clicking on save image as or download the image from your browser itself. So these are the results which we got. Looks professional, right? Now, what if you want to pose, you want to have a pose of the model in a specific way? What you can do here is search any of the image, any of the model image online and actually tell this tool to make image using that pose which you are looking to get. Okay, in order to do that, so scroll down and here I'm going to upload another image. So I have this image here and I want my model to pose like this, right? So all I have to do is just upload this image and click on this option here, fire a canny, and then all I have to do is just click on generate button again. Now again, it's going to take a few minutes to generate the results and we will have the image which will pose exactly like this one. So let's wait and see the results. Okay guys, our results are ready to be seen and you can see it's the same pose which we have given in our example picture. So that's the result which we have given. And that's what we got in return. We can see it's the exact match of the model, but with the different clothing, right? So that's it for the video, guys. I hope you guys like it and let me know if you want me to more create more tips and tricks like this. So if you want to change the shoes using the AI tools, if you want to change any handbags or something like that, I can create these tutorials as well for you. Let me know in the comments below if you want more tutorial like this. Until next video, have a great day.